Alright guys, welcome to the channel. I just got to make a quick announcement. So this company reached out to me about the new taillights. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this. But pretty cool new taillights. I totally dig them. Not only that, they are offering you guys a discount code if you guys are interested in these. These sell for $3.99. Use my code, get 10% off. Not only that, you also get free shipping. I'll put a link in the description below if you're interested in these taillights, and onto the video.
Turbo off?
I don't know, man. You tell me. What do we need to do?
Yeah, we gotta get that turbo off so we can put the bracket on for that up pipe.
7/16. 7/16. Nice. There you go. So there's that
Bracket on here.
Yeah, guys. So here's the bracket that was with the whole kit thingamabobber, but we're just trying to figure it out. But we don't know how to do it. Might be right here.
That's a pain in the dick ass.
Dick ass.
Why don't y'all film me eating, Jay?
Because that looks so good right now.
Everybody's gonna think I'm big old fatty.
But guys, we got the bracket on for the turbo, so that when the big turbo spools, doesn't bend the up pipe and the exhaust components and stuff like that.
Okay.
So this bracket's gonna hold it in place, right? Should be good. Just need a little bit of persuasion, but we got it. So I'm an idiot, and on the cover right here, I forgot to put the gasket back on. My bad. I'm gonna use my GoPro for this one. So we are here at Lowe's. I'm gonna pick up something that's pretty interesting. So, all right. So we just learned that Lowe's is getting rid of the Greenworks pressure washers, and this is usually $199, and they're selling it for $69.95. Went and picked it up, 69 bucks. So if your Lowe's still has these, I highly suggest picking one of these up. And the reason why I like these is these use standard size fittings, unlike, you know, like the Sunjoes or your Home Depot brands. They use different size fittings, so if you want to get accessories like your foam cannon, etc., it won't work on those, but on these ones it will. So we got the car warming up, and we have some big news to tell you guys. And here we go. What up, homeboy?
What up?
Okay, see, what are we gonna do, man? Well, before that, we've been discussing a lot of things on what we're gonna do, how we're gonna move forward, because Casey just received some news not too long ago about, let's just say it's work related.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, so yeah.
So yeah, quick update on the turbo build for the STI, since it's been a long time since we've actually been able to get some work done. Work has been keeping me really busy lately, and as you know, I'm in the Navy and we leave, so I got some information that I'm probably gonna be gone for a little bit of time.
You should have joined the Air Force.
What is that, like top secret?
Yeah, I can't say like when or
top secret
anything
information.
like that, so I'm just gonna be gone.
There's trouble in Russia.
And I really want to get the car back, and we're at an impasse really with the intake manifold and the rotated turbo kit. Like the AMS intake manifold and the rotated are like really hard to fit together, so we're thinking just hold off on the intake manifold right now. put everything else back together with the rotated turbo and all the other parts that we have. Just with the stock intake manifold, we should still be able to hit 500 wheel horsepower with that, and then just do that at a later time, because that's a big headache for us right now. I also have another buddy. I'm gonna hit him up, the guy who actually fixed the engine, see if he can come down, because my work schedule is super busy right now. Maybe help us out on like one day and just get it all back together and hopefully into the car. So I'll be talking to him. I'm gonna message him like right now after this. But other than that, that's why we really haven't been doing much work on the engine right now, is because my work schedule has been super busy and the holidays and everything. So all of that stuff, as you know, you got family time and all that stuff. So, but we are still going to finish this engine. We're still going to get the rotated turbo on the car and the engine back in the car and the Subaru running. Hopefully we can get, depending on when my buddy can come down and help us out, maybe get it in, maybe this coming up weekend. But like I said, no intake manifold, that's fine.
So that's why we haven't been working on it. Like I said, family stuff is just, we're not full-time YouTubers.
Holidays really.
That's right. So if you're in North Korea or China, Casey's coming for you.
Oh,
that's
get
right.
Out of here.
Yeah, we just wanted to, we appreciate your guys' support on the build and stuff, and we just think that you guys deserve some kind of update on what's going on. So that's right. So what else we got? We got bags. We got a whole bunch of other stuff coming. We still got cosmetic stuff. There is a lot of stuff that we're gonna still do on his car. So yeah, it is coming, guys. I'm telling you.
It's just number one priority is the engine right now. So all the bags and all of the other stuff that we have, that's gonna be after we get the car up and running and actually drivable, and then we can do the bags and all the racing seats. Still gotta do the racing seats.
All the hot boy stuff can come later.
Hot boy stuff. We gotta get this ready for the shows next year. Yeah. Well, this year.
Yeah.
Well, but yeah, I'm gonna have to get TGV deletes since I'm not gonna get that intake. Not use the intake manifold right now, so I gotta get TGV deletes because it's stock, but obviously.
Yeah. Oh, let's show them the pipe. What's the problem with the pipe? Did we show them?
Oh, that pipe.
So this is the issue. This is one of the roadblocks we had last time.
Yeah. So when this pipe was made and welded, I think the flange here got a little warped, and when we went to put it on to the headers, you could see that the gasket wasn't actually sealing all the way. So I gotta get this resurfaced and get this flattened out before we put the up pipe back on.
Yeah, so this flange is warped. It won't allow us to get a tight seal, and that's gonna leak instantly.
And with all the holidays, all the shops that like do resurfacing in the area, we really don't have much shops right here, so
yeah,
they've all been closed and hard to get to. So I'm gonna send the wifey out to get this resurfaced while I'm at work one day, since I'm always at work now.
Small town life, man. We don't have shit around here.
Yeah. Once we get that figured out, we should be able to get the engine back in the car. It sucks. Oh.
What springs do we need? I don't know.
I looked it up.
Yeah.
I'll go back. I'll figure it back out.
Yeah.
It was like something about 27. No, it's a little too high. Like 24 to 27 pounds spring pressure.
What is that?
No, that's kind of high.
Is it?
I'm at 13 pounds. I think it is closer to 17. I don't know. I gotta look it up on the tile website for the spring pressure that we're gonna be running. Since we're gonna be on E85, I gotta look that up too.
You're gonna be running what, 50 pounds, 40 pounds?
No, I'm not really trying to run a high boost on this setup just because the engine isn't closed deck. I'm gonna try to get as low boost as possible with E85. So I'm looking maybe like 30 pounds of boost on E85. Might get close to 500 wheel. We'll see, but that's what I'm trying to minimize the amount of boost pressure running on this block for now. And then once I don't want to use this block anymore, we'll up it to 50.
Yeah. In case you guys are new to the channel, that block is just a block we were playing around with.
Yeah.
He has another block. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the final block.
Yeah.
Oh,
if you haven't seen that video, we'll link it down below.
Yeah.
On what?
Phase 3 IAG closed deck block.
Yeah, right.
I said Black Friday sale, stay excited.
Yeah. So if we get this back together before Casey leaves, we'll promise you Casey will do some launches and donuts.
Yeah. Hopefully get a tune too.
Did I commit you to some donuts?
Donuts? I can do some donuts. I gotta get new tires anyway. Well, I mean these tires are brand new, but I want new tires.
Yeah.
So donut.
Damn.
How are we gonna break it to the fans when I tell them?